Hello everyone, my name is Dilip, B15 batch EEE RJKT person. I am here to share my GATE experience with you. I attempted GATE in 2021 and I got 55 marks in it with a rank nearly 1700. I want to give few tips or advices for your GATE preparation. The first one, before starting the preparation, know the syllabus and prepare according to the syllabus only. Second one, make a study plan and decide which subjects to start with and make a timetable according to it and start your preparation as per the timetable and follow the timetable strictly. Third one, make a short notes. Put a separate notebook and while you're preparing, write important formulas or some theorems, important procedures of each topic or each chapter's need so that it will be helpful for you at the time of revision. And fourth one, practice problems. Practice as much problems as you can. Refer to the previous year problems and solve that. So go to the different materials. Don't stick to one material. So like take the MEDIZ material, ACE material, time material, GATE Academy material, any of the material. Take the material, solve the problems. So put more time on solving problems only than the studying theory. Practice as many problems as you can. Fifth one, attempt mock test. If you attempt the mock test, you will get to know where you are weak and where you have to put your more focus and more time on. And you also get to know the time management and how you can manage the time in the GATE exam, and you can prepare the strategies according to it. So there will be different kind of mock tests like subject wise test, topic wise test, and full syllabus test. So once you finish a topic, take a mock test on the topic, and you will get to know on which area you are weak and you can solve the problems more on that area and get familiarized with those type of problems. And take after every subject, take subject by test. After you complete the syllabus, take full subject mock test. Sixth one, revise. So before attempting mock test, revise what you have studied or revise the complete syllabus. If you make the short notes, it will be easier for you at the time of revision. So make short notes so it will be useful at the time of revision. And before the GATE exam also put nearly 5 to 10 days for the revision so that you can recall or rememorize all the things, all important formulas, all the concept, all the theories. The last one, don't get distracted or demotivated. So it is common for students when they are preparing for GATE, they will easily get distracted or demotivated from that. So they will drop their preparation in between. Don't get distracted. If your goal is to get into IITs, then think of going to IISc Bangalore or IIT Bombay. Or if you want to go into PSUs, think of your life once you enter into PSU. Think of the life in PGCL, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Like that. Don't get demotivated. Always motivate yourself and put your constant efforts so you can get good results. Coming into my preparation, I took GATE coaching in 2019 summer when I am in E2 in the Time Institute. So after that, I started my preparation in March 2020 and up to January 2021. So in those 11 months, I effectively utilized only 4 months. I failed to utilize the time properly because I got distracted, as I said, and demotivated. And in between, I thought of dropping the GATE. So I failed to utilize the time properly. And in the January month, I attempted only 4 mock tests. In that mock tests, I got nearly 35 to 45 marks. As I distracted, I didn't solve many problems and I didn't make any short notes for the GATE preparation. In the end of January, I started preparing seriously. So in those 10 days before the GATE exam, I revised it very seriously. But as I haven't made any short notes at the time of revision, it consumed more time for me to complete the syllabus. So in those 4 months, I completed 6 subjects perfectly. In those 10 days of revision, I revised that these 6 subjects completely, and in remaining 4 subjects, I have some good basics. So and I attempted GATE and I got 55 marks and a very low score and a very low rank. As I committed few mistakes like I didn't prepare any study plan or any timetable. I haven't made any short notes and I didn't practice much problems. I attempted only 4 mock tests. Due to these mistakes, I got very low rank in the game. So I advise you not to commit these mistakes. Put your constant efforts throughout your preparation and prepare seriously, and you will enjoy the results.